Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Tesla video. So in today's video, I'm going to activate 6 of the inactive speakers in my Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus using this kit right here. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film DIY, tutorial, and review videos. And if I ever go someplace cool, I'll usually film that too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and hit that subscribe button. So I was on Amazon the other night and I saw this guy right here. So I had to give it a try. It's made by Besnor. I have no idea how to say their name. These guys do a bunch of Model 3 accessories. The nice part about this kit is that it claims that it's going to activate the pillar speakers, the speakers up in the ceiling, and the rear deck speakers as well. So that's going to be pretty nice to have an extra 6 speakers just by using this kit here. So these are the speakers that it's going to activate. And this is the wiring harness. So basically now we have to tear apart the whole passenger side of the car, and up under the glove box somewhere is a connector where this guy goes. All right, let's get to taking off some panels to get at these wires. Good thing they give you one of these tools. All right, so to get started, we are to head to this part, the glove box, and get started taking these panels off, and then we're gonna work our way all along the side here and into the back. Okay, so the rear panel was not that difficult at all to remove. So that is done. Basically, this is what the back of the rear panel looks like. Not that many clips, just this guide right here at the bottom. So that came off real easy. And then this is the bottom one here. You can see there's a clip. This guy went down here. Now we're gonna work our way up to the front. Well, that was a little bit easier than I thought. The front panel is now off as well. We've got the lower panel from beneath the glove box, and now we have to get up to that connector right there. So there we have it. The clip has been removed. So this is the guy that we needed right here from under the dash. So we're just gonna clip the new harness into this one and work our way to the back seat. Once you've connected the main connector at the top, the next connection is this guy right here. Just plug that in. Run your wiring along the door until you get to here. This one's really difficult because you need to remove the one that's on the bottom and then connect your harness in. So the next step is to pull your wire from behind the seatbelt there, tuck it in, bring it all the way up, and this is your last connection right here by the back seat. And just like that, we have activated 6 extra speakers. So the speakers are, can't really see, no, you're not going to see through there. So we've activated the 2 speakers in the rear deck lid, and then as well, this should have activated this speaker here, and again, this one up here. So let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. Wow, what a difference. I totally did not think that that would make such a difference, but yeah, like totally more sound coming out of these guys here, coming out of these guys here, and like from the back deck. Staging now, way better, way better. Can't believe that the $60 kit makes it sound this much better. Okay, so I've turned the mic around so maybe you guys can hear what these speakers sound like, but give it a shot. was about the best $60 that I have ever spent. Direct link in the description below from Amazon. If you've got a Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus and you want to add an extra 4 to 6 speakers to your system. Super easy to do. Well, not super easy. Some of the clips were pretty hard, but honestly, this job will only probably take you about a half hour to 45 minutes. What I find crazy is that all 6 speakers are actually installed and just not activated. All you need to do is add a wiring harness and now you get 6 speakers. $60 wiring harness, $10 a speaker, way more immersive sound and better highs. Definitely worth the money. Link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching today. If you learned something new in this video, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that like button. Until next time, take it easy out there.